Hello guys, welcome back at 10 of Things. But for today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix LG VRF error code CH150. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're getting this issue, there are a few things that you need to know and you need to do here in order for you to resolve this issue. So first, let's go and understand what does this error code actually mean. So in this case, when your system shows the CH150, basically it's saying that the refrigerant isn't behaving like it should. Specifically, the discharge superheat is too low or below 3 Celsius. Now, in simpler terms here, it's not handling the heat the way it's supposed to. So, generally speaking here. Now, common causes here involves a faulty outdoor compressor or a bad EEV electronic expansion valve or possibly a poor piping connection. So, in this case, there are going to be a few things that you may want to do. So in this case, first thing that you may want to do is you may want to inspect the piping. Now make sure your refrigerant pipes, liquid and gas are correctly connected through the indoor units, not bypassing them. Now if the install was done wrong, like a direct connection without the indoor unit, it can cause the whole system to behave unpredictably. Now if that's the case, it's time to call your installer or a qualified HVAC tech to rework the connections properly. Also, you may want to check the expansion valve here, or EEV. Now, look for any signs of clogging inside the valve here. There's a tiny strainer that could be blocked with gunk, so you, in this case, clean it if it's salvageable here. Now, if the valve or strainer is too far gone, just replace the valve itself. Now, if you're still seeing the error, or in this case, if you've done the checks and cleaning, but the error keeps coming back, you'll want to call an authorized LG technician. This could be something a lot deeper, like a compressor failure here, which in this case isn't something that you could do DIY. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.